rectify the following errors. Cash sales are given to be 16,000, and let us understand how to rectify if these errors are committed. So these are three different cases. In first case, it says that cash sales of 16,000 were not posted to sales account. Now students, it is written clearly not posted to sales account. That means the entry was recorded correctly in the second account, but it is only in the sales account that it has not been posted properly. So now what to do? It is a single-sided error since it affects only the sales account. So whenever sales are affected, sales are credited. So let us credit sales now to sales account with rupees 16,000. And since it is a single-sided error, the debit should be given to suspense account, assumingly that trial balance was not tallying and hence suspense account was created. So the narration in this case would be being sales not posted, now rectified. Now rectified. Coming to the second case, they were posted as rupees 6,000 in sales account. Now again in this case it is a single-sided error because the error only appears in the sales account. The second account was correctly recorded with 16,000, but here it is given it was posted as 6,000 in sales account. That means sales account has been credited short by rupees 10,000. Whenever we are making sales, the sales account is credited. So in this case it should have been credited by 16,000, but it has been done only with 6,000. So a short in the credit side is there in the sales account for rupees 10,000. So let us now rectify it. Since the sales account is short credited by 10,000, credited again with rupees 10,000, there is no error in any other account, so suspense account would be debited with rupees 10,000. The narration in this case would be being sales account credited with wrong amount, now rectified. Now students, coming to the third case. The third case is cash sales of 16,000 were posted to commission account. Now it is a double-sided error because the sale should have been recorded in sales account, rather they were credited to commission account. So in this case the sales account has not been credited, so let us credit it now to sales account, and the commission account which had wrongly been credited should now be debited. The entry would be commission account debited to sales account with an amount of 16,000. Narration would be being wrong credit to commission account instead of sales, now rectified. That is, it makes it very clear that a wrong credit was given to commission account instead of sales account, so which has now been rectified by debiting the commission account and crediting the sales account.